So I'm just about to do my nails before I go to bed, and I am in the mood for something festive. Now we're coming into December, and I wanted to share with you guys a Manucurist new holiday collection. They have some really gorgeous gift sets. I will link my original video where I shared with you guys a step-by-step guide on how to do the Manucurist system. It is a lead polish system, but the thing I love about it is that it takes only a minute to remove the polish, and this is something I always dread with gel polish. I love how long it lasts, but I hate removing it. I also have a code if you missed out on any of the Black Friday codes. I will link all my beauty discount codes down below, but for Manucurist you can use the code. So the code is Nails Laura. I'll put it on the screen here, and that entitles you to 15% off, which I think is a really generous discount if you're after some Christmas gift ideas. First of all, let me show you this gift set that has 3 of their new holiday colours in. We have the Utopia. This is a really gorgeous copper brown. It's a beautiful pearlescent shade, and this is a nice shade if you're not a fan of the pure pillar box red. By the way, this is the lead nail polish collection. These do work with any LED lights, so if you have a friend that's into doing their own manicures at home and they already have a light, then this would be a really wonderful collection. The next shade is Spark. And to me, this is like the ultimate New Year's shade. It's an intense glitter. Black is what it says on the website. And speaking of black glitter, you do actually get a loose black glitter. This is biodegradable as well. And then the last shade is just a classic pillar box shade. This is called Red Velvet. I think I'm going to do this shade on the week running up to Christmas. It's also my birthday, very near Christmas, and I do love a red classic now, so I think I'm definitely going to go for this one on my birthday. But for today, I'm going to try out the Utopia. This next gift pack would make a wonderful gift for a friend, or maybe a secret Santa if you know someone that's into nails. This has the normal red velvet polish. This is just their classic green quick dry colour. You don't need any LED light for this. And then you also get one of their biodegradable glitters in the gold. Then speaking of glitters, I love this last set if you have anyone who's really into nail art as well. This comes with a rose gold biodegradable glitter and also this stunning iridescent shimmer powder. You know, the ones that you put over the top and they can like transform a colour like a duochrome. This comes with the applicator, the sponge applicator, so you can apply them. I would really like to try this powder over the red velvet shade. I will have all of these 3 gift sets linked down below along with my discount code. And now I am going to go and paint my nails.